Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you a fabulous recipe that I enjoy, especially when we have tomato season, and that is fried green tomatoes. I'll be posting the ingredients in the description below. I will also show you how to make a delicious dip that goes excellent with these tomatoes. And if you're new to my channel, welcome! Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others. Before we begin, I want to bring you to my garden. Let's harvest some green tomatoes.
Some tomatoes I collect them red, some tomatoes I collect them green, especially the meaty tomatoes. And this is a smaller variety. They're smaller, but they're very good. The plant is very resilient, beautiful. The taste is amazing. In this area, the tomatoes taste a little bit acidic. You just add salt to them, and they are just delicious, gorgeous tomatoes.
You're probably wondering why she has so many green tomatoes. Well, it's the end of the season, and before the plants die, I'm going to collect whatever is left. Some of them are red, but some of them will ripen inside the house. And there are so many delicious recipes that you can make with green tomatoes. Let's head inside the house and start cooking. You will need 3 medium-sized green tomatoes, a 9 by 18 inches cookie tray lined with paper towel. After removing the end, I am going to slice the tomato in about a 1/4 inch thick pieces. Next, I'll be placing all of the slices on top of the paper towel. And I will not add any salt at this stage because I don't want my tomato slices to get too watery. I like to have 3 different stations with 3 bowls. In the first one, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of cornmeal and 1/2 cup of Italian-style breadcrumbs, and I'll be using a whisk to mix all that together. In the next bowl, I'm going to add 2 eggs and a 1/4 cup of whole milk. And again, I'll be using a clean whisk to combine both ingredients together. Finally, I'll be adding 1/2 cup of unbleached all-purpose flour. Into that, I'll add a teaspoon of salt and ground black pepper to taste. And I'll be using a whisk one more time to combine all the ingredients. I'll be preparing a cooling rack and a cookie tray lined with paper towel. To a large skillet, add 1 to 1.5 cups of olive oil or any oil that you have at hand, and preheat the oil on medium heat. Now we will prepare the tomatoes. Grab a slice and dip it into the all-purpose flour. Next, we're going to take it to the egg mixture, and finally into the cornmeal mixture. Make sure that the oil is already hot on medium heat, not too hot and not too cold. As the tomatoes fry, we're going to flip them approximately every 1 to 2 minutes for a total of 3 to 4 minutes per side until they're nice and golden brown. When adding your tomatoes to the skillet, try not to overcrowd the frying pan. And once they are done, we're going to place them on the cooling rack. In the meantime, we will fry the rest of the tomatoes. And here they are. They look amazing. You can simply eat them like that, or we're going to prepare a delicious dip, and I'm gonna show you now. I like to use fresh Italian parsley, and this is a handful. Next, I'm going to collect some basil leaves, about 6 or 7 of those, depending on the size of the leaves. Next, I'm going to chop them both together in very tiny pieces. Add 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise into a bowl. I like to use avocado oil mayonnaise, but you can use any mayonnaise that you have at hand as long as it is not fat-free or reduced fat. 1/4 of a cup of whole milk. Next, we're going to add the chopped herbs. About 1/2 teaspoon of salt and ground black pepper to taste. And finally, about 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I'll be using a whisk to combine all of the ingredients together really well. And now I'm going to transfer my dip into a serving dish. They are so good that it's really hard to stop eating. They are delicious just like that, but that dipping sauce makes them so exquisite and so scrumptious. I hope that you can make them at home. They are super easy. I want to thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share it with others. I'll see you very soon. Have a wonderful and very blessed day.